Hi everyone, I'm Jen Edelman and I welcome you to my introductory video. Why am I here? So why did I choose this course? I wholeheartedly believe that nutrition education for our young people and policies that support that education are essential for nurturing the future of our country. Currently, our youngest students are receiving an average of 13 hours of nutrition education each school year. That amounts to less than 2 hours of nutrition education each month. Research has demonstrated that a minimum of 50 hours of annual nutrition education is needed for meaningful behavior change to occur. So let me say that again. Our kids receive less than 2 hours of nutrition education every month. Schools teach kids everything from math and writing to art and music. So why wouldn't nutrition education be an integral part of school learning? I also believe that educating kids offers trickle-up benefits, as I call them, benefits that extend to a child's family members, out into the community, and beyond. The significance of providing our kids with the tools they need to succeed and achieve their goals and dreams is vitally important to me. How can we expect our students to perform their best work if their bodies and brains are not fueled by healthful foods? What do I expect from this course? I expect a lightning bolt, really. In all seriousness, I know the information I learn in this class will be enlightening and will further inform me on a topic I am passionate about. Some particular areas of interest for me include: what more can we do for lower-income children? How can we properly fund schools so things like fast food outlets and competing foods aren't needed? What are the innovations that are happening in schools now concerning nutrition, physical education, and all related areas? When I think about food service in schools, an example that always comes to mind for me is the school lunch program in Japan. The students and cafeteria staff prepare each day's meals from fresh ingredients. The students are invested in the meal they've prepared. They are learning firsthand about fresh, healthful ingredients, and they're eating a nutrient-rich lunch that sets them up for a better academic day. I imagine a day when this will be the reality for school cafeterias in America, too. Other things that interest me: what are school districts doing to increase family and educator engagement in the area of nutrition? And lastly, what are the most effective tools and strategies for impacting policy decisions? How will this course impact my career? The truth is, I'm not sure yet. Whether I end up working in the school environment or not, this course will teach me a lot about how decisions are made and implemented in schools and areas where more work is needed. I expect to learn more about educating kids of all ages and more about strategies that have proven effective for education, intervention, and prevention. The information I learn about nutrition in the formal education environment will be important for my future career, regardless of what I may undertake. How does this material connect to previous classes? The material in this class is interconnected with the content from all of the other courses I've had so far, from understanding the importance of a balanced and healthful diet, to designing and implementing social marketing campaigns, to understanding the different nutrient requirements at different stages in child development. I'm excited to be here, and I look forward to working with all of you throughout this course. Thanks.